Basically, a customer ringing, typically with a block drain, we will attend with a van pack, small self-contained unit, assess the situation and clear it using high pressure water jetting. Used typically in smaller diameter drains for commercial and light industrial usage, and obviously indeed domestics if required. Water under pressure, quite a simple equation, and it works.
With the vans we can jet up to 9-inch. We can jet pretty much any size drains. We're just calling a tanker, which can jet bigger drains.
The vehicles are fitted with a pump that drives the water under pressure. Typically we will jet it up to 4,000 psi, and that will be around about 14 to 15 gallons a minute. There's a system of nozzle, holes in the back of the nozzle that drives it under pressure.
You've got your all-back jet head, which is for jetting from an empty manhole to the blockage. That will then blast through the blockage and pull it back towards you. You've got a forward facer which has 3 jets facing backwards and 1 facing forwards. If you're jetting from the blocked manhole to a main or to the blockage, you use a forward facer because that pushes it forwards, breaking up the blockage. You've got your bomb jet, which is for breaking up silt, scale, fat and grease. Then you've got your silt jet, which just has 2 facing backwards, and this is really mainly just for silt. The jetting hose is flexible, so if there's a bend in a pipe it will go round the pipe, yes. Yeah. It won't jet a blind lateral, but if it's just a straight bend it will jet round those bends easily enough, yes. For doing grease we have a spinning jet that breaks the grease up and cleans the drains nicely. Yeah.
Typically our engineer will block the downstream run with either an inverted road cone or a scoop. Water will collect in the manhole, the water will run off, and the day which left is scooped out, bagged and taken off-site for disposal.
If there's grease build-up, all that wadding will do is compact it even more.
That will not only just clear the blockage, but it will also clean and scour the pipe at the same time. So when you leave a job, you should have left with a clean, clear, free-flowing system.
We're a 24-hour service, 365 days a year. And like I say, if you've got a blockage, just an emergency, we'll get somebody straight out to you.
We would certainly always recommend that. It doesn't mean it's right for everybody. It would be individual cases that are looked at. But generally, domestic, industrial, we do undertake a very high volume of regular maintenance on drains. It would normally, most jobs will normally start off with an emergency call, and will then go on to a maintenance contract if we feel it's necessary. Our engineers will advise the customer before leaving site, report back to head office, and one of the sales team will contact the client and prepare a fully costed quotation for a camera survey, drain relining, drain repair, whatever we deem necessary.